Here we have one of our 489 big block Chevrolets. We did some down pulls on it, doing a valve train inspection. As you can see, it's got scorpion roller rockers on it. It's got the Edelbrock cylinder heads. We do the valve work here in-house, guide work. Do a nice little bowl blend job to it. Real nice, solid little head. Highly recommend it. This is a hydraulic roller motor, camshaft wise. We have comp cams grind that for us, custom. It's got J&E pistons. It's got an Eagle rotating assembly in it. This has got a Canton rear sump oil pan. It's got the Edelbrock air gap. Quick fuel SS 830 on top of it. MSD Pro Billet distributor, custom wires. Naturally, we tune it up here to best ability on the dyno. Highly recommend installing an O2 in your car, tune it for your exhaust, air cleaner, things of that nature. And naturally, since we run it, we set the timing. There'll be a tag with all those parameters on that tag that'll be connected to the distributor. Definitely have a timing light hooked up to it when you start it. Make sure that those parameters are met in case it got bumped, something of that nature. If not, there's a good chance you could definitely hurt the motor. So I highly recommend doing that. A lot of people just start it up and rock and roll, and sometimes got a bag of garbage. So if you got any questions about that, don't hesitate to contact us here at Prestige. We'll kind of help you do that. You can actually go to our tech videos. It'll tell you how to set the timing and a whole bunch of other stuff. Highly recommend signing up for our tech video. Each week it's some pretty good technical information. So button her back up, make more pulls.